Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. Sure. In this tutorial, we will explore how to convert integers to strings using numpy, a powerful library in Python for numerical computing. Numpy provides a convenient way to handle arrays and perform mathematical operations, and it includes functions that can help with type conversion. What is numpy? Numpy, numerical Python, is an open-source Python library that provides support for large, multi-dimensional arrays and matrices, along with a collection of mathematical functions to operate on these arrays. It is widely used in data science, machine learning, and scientific computing. Converting integers to strings in numpy. In numpy, you can convert integer arrays to string arrays using the istype method or the numpy.char module. Below, we will cover both methods. Method 1, using istype. The istype method allows you to change the data type of a numpy array. To convert integers to strings, you can specify the data type as str. Example. Output asterisk. Method 2, using numpy.char. The numpy.char module provides vectorized string operations for numpy arrays. You can use numpy.char functions to perform various string operations, including converting integers to strings. Example. Output asterisk. Summary. In this tutorial, we learned how to convert integers to strings in numpy using two methods, the istype method and the numpy.char module. Converting data types is an essential task when working with data, and numpy provides efficient ways to do it. Feel free to experiment with different integer arrays and see how the conversion works. If you have any further questions or need clarification, don't hesitate to ask.